Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, in this video we are going to learn about how to delete the data from database using CodeIgniter. So guys, let's get started with it. So till now we have seen that how to add this data and fetch the data, edit the data, and after editing we are going to update the data. So let's update this, and now you can see that updated one, and now we are going to click with the delete one. So once you click on delete button, the data should get deleted. So guys, let's get started with this as simple. So guys, let's go with the VS Code editor and let's move to the page which is this employee route. So let me just search with this where it is actually. So where is it, our routes? So let me close all the things, and yep guys, so let's go to applications folder. Inside applications config, where is the route? So here is the route now, and this is our employee route where we are going to employee controller at index function. So let me just go to my controller called employee controller at index function. So let's go over here, index function. So in this index function we are going to employee page. So let me just move to this employee page. So control and press click on this. So this is my employee page where delete button is shown. So now let's reload this, where delete button we have to pass it. So we will be deleting the data by its ID. So let's call that thing. So guys, let us type php open php close, where you are going to echo the base URL, base underscore URL function, and this now where you will be viewing your data, I mean path, that is known as the route. So guys, now let's type employee, where forward slash will call this delete, and this delete forward slash with the ID. So let's concatenate the ID. So as you know that we have fetched it, so that same thing we are going to paste the ID over here. So let me just reload and check where there is no error with it. So let's reload, and everything is fine. And you can see when I hover this at this corner, you will see a ID URL with ID. So it's employee delete 1, employee delete 2. So everything is coming fine. So I'll just show you on the URL also. So guys, you can find that employee delete 2 also is coming, and when you send this first ID, it will come 1 over here. Cool. So guys, when you click this, this row should get deleted. So guys, let's get started with the coding part. So let's copy this and set a URL for it. So that URL can be set in a routes.php file, and this route.php file will be inside your config folder. So inside your application config folder. So now let's create a route, $route, I mean array of your path, where forward slash, where you are going to send any ID or any digit or alphabet, you are going to use this any method, and then you are going to pass the controller name. So this is my controller name, I'm going to use that only, where I'm going to front end folder. Inside front end folder I'm going to employee controller. Then let's go to delete function with the ID. So I'm using ID, right? Anything which we are going to pass, so we have to pass it over here, $1. Done. So let's go to employee controller at the delete function. So we don't have a delete function in our employee controller. So as you can see that, so there is no delete function. So let us create a function for deleting the data. So let's create public function where delete, and here you are going to start the query for it. So guys, now we have to import a model first. So let's call $this load of model function, and here you are going to call your model. So let's call the model. What model you are going to call? The employee model. So I'll just show you where is my model I have created. So inside model I have created employee model.php. So over here, so this is my employee model. So let's copy this employee model and paste inside this, and we have called successfully the model employee. Done. So $this of your employee model just now, which you have called now, where you are going to tell that delete employee method. Okay, now in this you are going to pass the ID with it. Okay, so what ID you are going to pass? The ID which you have sent in the URL route. So over here you are sending, right? So any data parameters you are going to send, or any attribute of it. So guys, let's call this one whatever the name is about it. So let's create $ID variable, and that ID will be passed into this for deleting employee. Done. So let's create this function at your model, employee model. So let's move to employee model, and then let's create it. So let's create one public function where employee model, and open the bracket. So guys, now the query for delete is into our CodeIgniter documentation itself. So as we can see that, I'll just show you. At the beginning, when you go to data references, you can see that query builder class. Over here at starting, you can see insert, update, delete. So let me click on this deleting part. You can see that the code for deleting starts from here. So let's copy this first itself, because it's very simple and clear. You can use many methods have been explained over here. You can follow whatever you like it, but the straight formula is to delete the single ID. You can use this thing. Okay, so let's copy this and get back to the code and paste it over here. So let's return this, and instead of typing this array over here, so let's mention this as the square bracket array. So let me just Control X and remove this. Let's give it array, and inside this you are going to paste the same thing what it was, and the ID which you are sending, it will be ID, and the column name is going to be as usual ID, and this is my table name. So table name is nothing but my employee. As you can see, I'll just show you the table name which I have into my database called CodeIgniter. So this is my table name employee. I'm going to copy that, and with this help of ID, I'm going to delete the row. So let's copy this, and now guys, which will be called when the controller calls this model at this method, that time this will be called and deleted. So once deleted, where you are going to be redirect, where you want to be redirected, like when you click on this, on which page you want to go. I want to come to same page. So let's copy this and use the redirect function to redirect at this only. So let's call base underscore URL, where you are going to call this page. Simple. And now once you click on it, the data will be deleted and redirected to employee page. So let's go back and reload the page. Let me just add one dummy thing to get deleted. Let's tell dummy last and phone number you can add, and email dummy@gmail.com. Let's save this. So you can see the data has been saved, and now let's click to delete. So guys, I have clicked on it. Cool. So data is got deleted, right? So you can see there is no data. So now I'll just show you for the database confirmation also. So right now only 2 IDs are present. So let me just check out. It's still loading. So let's wait for this. Okay. Yes guys. So now only 2 IDs. So let's ID one. So let's tell us demo some number and demo@gmail.com. So let's save this. This ID will be 4 because third ID is deleted. So you can check that, and let's browse it. So in database you can see now ID number 4 demo. Let's delete this and check it. So let's click on delete. Cool. So deleted, and let's go back to our database and refresh this and browse once again. You can find that 4 ID is deleted. Cool. So guys, now what we have to do is, like, when you go to confirm and delete, that time it should delete. So let's check in next video how to confirm and delete the video. I mean how to confirm and delete the data in this CodeIgniter. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.